Sorry we got cut off. Apparently, I am long-winded, which is nothing new. But I just wanted to finish up by saying that if you write me one sentence per piece right here, so if you said topic 2, the giraffe has some usual body parts that make it a little bit easier. It has a long neck, it has long legs, and it has a long tongue. That's really boring. That's not a paragraph. That's a list of facts. So you need to make sure that when you tell me the porcupine has quills, duh, of course I know that, but explain why those quills are important. What does a porcupine use those quills for? So you need to make sure that you are explaining it to me. And if you don't know, go find out. Stop what you're doing, look up a quick fact like I did with the giraffe, and then add to it. So that's what you need to work on today, is to create your rough draft. You need to create your sentences. If you have 3 or 4 sentences per paragraph right now, that is not enough. We are end of 5th grade, and I expect you to be able to tell me the why. Okay, so use your fact, your specific detail, and then describe it. So you should have at least 2 sentences for each topic that you have, for each supporting detail that you have. As you continue working, continue through paragraph 4. So as I'm talking about the fun facts, I'm going to talk about the fact that their heart's 2 feet long. Can you imagine? That's the same size as describe it. They have to be strong. Why is it so big? Well, it has to be strong in order to get the, blood up around their body. So then when I get to paragraph 5 over here, I'm going to literally go back and I'm going to copy and paste those 3 main sentences, and then I type in my conclusion. It doesn't have to be perfect. Just get it down on paper. But look at this. If I get an essay, your entire essay is one of these paragraphs long, you know I'm going to tell you no way. It needs to be longer than that. I want 5 to 8 sentences minimum for each paragraph. I want you to explain it to me. We're starting it today. We're going to spend a large chunk on it today. You're also going to get some time, a little bit of time tomorrow, but with tomorrow you're also going to add, and we're going to fix some things as we go. This is going to be due Thursday, like final draft Thursday. So if you are messing around and you're not spending your time, then you might find that you are really struggling to get everything done that you need to. So please watch these videos, get it done. Don't turn it in. I don't want to know. I don't want it yet, but we can turn it in so we're ready for Thursday. Anyway, good luck, deep breaths, and get it done.